Plant FAQs. Hosta Liberty. What is Hosta Liberty? For years, I've been captivated by the beauty of shade gardens. Lush greenery contrasting with vibrant blooms creates a sense of tranquility unmatched by sun-drenched landscapes. But among the many shade-loving plants, one has truly stolen my heart, the Hosta Liberty. This magnificent hosta boasts a stunning combination of color and texture, making it a standout addition to any shady corner. In this guide, I'll share my experience with Hosta Liberty, covering everything from its impressive size to the best practices for care and propagation. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. How big does Hosta Liberty get? One of the first things that drew me to Hosta Liberty was its impressive stature. Unlike its delicate-looking cousins, Liberty boasts a bold, upright presence. Its thick, broadly heart-shaped leaves can reach up to 12 inches long, forming a majestic mound that can grow up to 26 inches tall. This substantial size makes Hosta Liberty a perfect choice for adding structure and definition to a shade border. It can also serve as a stunning focal point, drawing the eye and creating a sense of grandeur in your shady haven. Where can I find Hosta Liberty? Finding Hosta Liberty can be a rewarding treasure hunt. Many local nurseries and garden centers carry a variety of hostas, and Liberty is a popular choice due to its beauty and resilience. If your local options come up short, don't despair. Online retailers specializing in perennials often offer a wider selection of hostas, including Liberty. With a little searching, you're sure to find this captivating plant and add it to your shade garden collection. What makes Hosta Liberty so special? Beyond its impressive size, Hosta Liberty holds a special place in my heart for its captivating foliage. The leaves emerge in spring with a captivating contrast, a cool blue-green center boldly outlined by a wide, dramatically streaked margin of neon yellow. As the season progresses, the yellow margin matures into a creamy white, offering a delightful transformation throughout the growing season. This dynamic color play adds vibrancy and interest to any shady corner, brightening up even the darkest nooks of your garden. But the beauty of Hosta Liberty goes beyond just its visual appeal. This hosta is a champion of resilience. Its thick leaves offer superior resistance to slugs, a common problem for many hostas. This makes it a low-maintenance choice for gardeners who appreciate a trouble-free addition to their shade haven. How to care for your Hosta Liberty? Hosta Liberty thrives in the very environment it helps create, a cool, shady haven. Ideally, aim for an area that receives dappled sunlight or morning sun with afternoon shade. When it comes to soil, Hosta Liberty prefers fertile, moist, and well-drained soil. Amending your existing soil with compost or other organic matter can help create the perfect environment for your new treasure. Watering is crucial, especially during the first year of growth and during hot, dry spells. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. How to propagate Hosta Liberty? Sharing the beauty of Hosta Liberty is easy thanks to its ability to be propagated through division. The best time to divide your hosta is in early spring or fall when the plant is dormant. Carefully dig up the mature hosta and use a sharp knife to divide it into sections, each containing a few healthy buds. Replant the divisions in prepared soil, ensuring they are watered regularly until established. What to plant with Hosta Liberty? Hosta Liberty's bold presence makes it a versatile companion in the shade garden. Here are a few ideas for creating a harmonious composition. Ferns, delicate ferns like maidenhair fern, Adiantum spp, or Japanese painted fern, Aetherium niponicum, provide a textural contrast and add a touch of whimsy. Heucheras, coral bells, Heuchera spp, offer a vibrant splash of color with their diverse foliage hues, ranging from burgundy to lime green. Astilbes, these shade-loving perennials offer graceful plumes of pink, white, or lavender flowers, adding a touch of elegance to the composition. By incorporating Hosta Liberty into your shade garden design, you'll be adding a captivating and low-maintenance plant that provides beauty and structure for years to come. So, get ready to embark on your Hosta Liberty adventure and enjoy the transformation it brings to your shady haven.